निलेश बाब,
I rise to
निलेश
speak.
बाब, म्हणजे एक अनाउन्समेंट आसा सकाळची सांगलेलें हांवें लेटस्ट स्टेजीचेर हांव हावजाक सांगतलो म्हणून ती आतां हांव करतां. A very disturbing incident occurred in this house on 6 March 2006, which requires urgent attention. The matter is extremely serious and goes to the very root of the functioning and dignity of this house. The incident necessitates immediate steps to curb such acts, which amounts to contempt of this house. On 6 March 2026, while Honorable Member Sri Vijai Sardesai sought to move an adjournment motion on the issue of the Mirabag Bandara, certain visitors in the gallery began raising slogans on the same issue. This caused clear interference with the proceedings of the functioning of the House. Upon investigation, it has been found that the visitors' passes for these 4 visitors were facilitated by Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai. I have also personally verified the CCTV footage and observed suspicious movements of these visitors in the office of Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai, as well as within the Assembly complex. My preliminary inquiry establishes that the entire incident has been orchestrated by Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai. Along with physical evidence, the timing of the untoward actions from the visitors' gallery coinciding with the issue being raised by the Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai speaks volumes about the connection between the incident and the issue being raised by the Honorable Member. It is unfortunate that one of the senior members of this House has indulged in such an act. Also, involvement of a former member of this House has come to the light. In this matter, the investigations of the same is being conducted. While the investigations is ongoing, it has also been noted that the 4 visitors who created a nuisance in the House have been seen publicly celebrating this grave illegal act and making comments on the functioning of the House. This too has been taken seriously and will invite appropriate action in the matter. Such incidents are not only a threat to the functioning of this House, but are also dangerous to democracy at large. Any attempt to disturb or interfere with the functioning of this House is not only unconstitutional, but also strikes at the very foundation of democracy. This alarming and deeply disturbing act may set a bad precedent unknown to Assembly functioning. The incident was unprecedented and has been orchestrated to disrupt the democratic process. Such attempts not only harm the functioning of this House, but also amount to external interference with its smooth conduct. I am therefore duty bound to take appropriate action in accordance with the relevant provisions of the rules of procedure and conduct of business of this House. As Speaker, I have taken serious note of this incident, and I wish to inform the House that no such attempts will be tolerated. Any person, including any member of this House, found to be involved in such activities amounting to external interference with this House shall be dealt with sternly, and action including proceedings for contempt of this House shall be initiated against such a person as well as any member found to be involved. With regard to the incident that occurred on 6th March 2026, before taking any action in the matter, I call upon Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai to tender an unconditional apology to this House within 24 hours from now, failing which appropriate action in accordance with the rules shall be taken against the Honorable Member. Further, it is directed that the 4 visitors, namely Hemant Bhandari, Umesh Naik, Upendra Naik and Apa Naik, along with Sri Ritik Sanjay Mandrekar, associate of Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai, who facilitated their entry, shall be barred from entering the precincts of the Assembly complex. Further, I have noted that statements made in the House, especially those made by the Honorable Chief Minister, have been twisted and falsely projected by certain individuals outside the House. Upon verification of the records, it is clear that at no point did the Honorable Chief Minister refer to anyone, including the 4 visitors, as terrorists. Such a misrepresentation of the proceedings of this House violates the privilege of the member concerned and amounts to contempt of the House. I issue a stern warning to all such individuals to immediately desist from such acts and remove all such content from any platform. Failure to comply shall invite further action. At the end, I once again express my deep displeasure at this unfortunate and regrettable incident, which has caused serious harm and disturbance to the sanctity and dignity of this House. This august House belongs to the people of Goa through their elected representatives, and any attempt to disturb its functioning is an insult not only to this institution but also to the faith reposed in it by the people. I urge everyone to act through ethical means that uphold the decorum of the House and ensure that the democratic process continues in a fair, peaceful and orderly manner.